Hello there. As the title implies, I'm moving house. It is not a decision I've made lightly. It's really because that my landlady has a case of COVID-19 in her apartment complex, and she decided that she still wanted to visit the property I'm renting from her, even though she should be quarantined. So I can't visit the house for a week, and that's really just a long chain of events that's just been leading up to, she being the stereotypical, overbearing old landlady who brags on the misunderstood, messy, wonderful genius, myself. So I'm not meaning to be a sociological cliche, moving back in with my parents, at least hopefully not for long. And they've given me a half of the garage to work with. You can see. I've got lots of space. Hopefully it won't be as crowded as the previous workshop. I'll have less stuff already in here to contend with, because my landlady had a bunch of crap piled up in the garage and I was piling on top of her crap, so hopefully it will be a little more clean in here. I've made myself a nice workbench that's nice and chest level, so I don't have to sit down to work on the giant robot parts. I've got my big board I got from a auto parts store that was bankrupt and liquidating its assets for free, actually. I got this particle big board for free. And I've already got a few things that I had in the van before I had to run away from the house. Well, I was actually already up here visiting my folks when my landlady decided to attack me. And was already partially considering moving up here anyway, so it's nothing that I suddenly planned for. And I've already got a bunch of scrap here already. There's parts of an old bed my dad made that I might be able to convert into a chassis for Talos, the second giant robot. And you can see I've already got some of the metal bits for my giant robots in here already. And lots more metal scrap. And I've built a lumber rack to support all of the wood from my dad and myself, and any PVC I decide to stick up. And I'm going to be organizing his half of the garage, so it's not going to be an even trade. And I got one of these, you probably can't see it very well. A fancy LED light that has like 3 different elements to it. And my dad liked it so much he got himself like 10. And also, I will have the attic storage space to put stuff in. We'll just go up. Kind of dark. Look at all that room. I'm going to be using it to store my crap, maybe some of my brother's crap while he's working on getting his own apartment. And I'm going to be saving up so I can afford down payments and stuff. And who knows, maybe I can do some like kooky electronic stuff up here, or maybe work on the JNKI power pants, or as I'm thinking about calling them, the wonderful nickname, having Hulking Dynamo, after a Lordy song. Look up Lordy, his music is awesome. But, yeah. And as the hiatus part, I probably didn't explain that. Well, unfortunately, since I'm going to be moving house, there's going to be less videos, probably not daily videos, hopefully at least one a week, maybe. Because I'm definitely going to have to tear Marduk apart, disassemble Marduk, and bring her up here. I don't know, I might store her in the attic upstairs or just have her in the backyard. But that would mean that there would be a giant robot in the backyard visible from the road. And I already had one guy at a local hardware store say that I looked familiar, and I was like, oh, I was on TV, giant robot. He was like, oh, cool. So, yeah, things are looking up, I guess, up and down, because, I got to take a break to move all my crap. But on the positive side, I will hopefully be getting a better workspace and getting the ball rolling on getting Marduk, marketing. This will mean, of course, that I won't be doing a Kickstarter, probably for a few months. But when I do, hopefully it will be with some awesome stuff, because with this area, there's a lot of like out back of malls and stuff that nobody goes to. So I can maybe do some filming there and scare some of the people working and taking their smoke break. So I guess that will be all for today's video. It saddens me to say that I am going on a bit of a hiatus, but for a good reason. Gotta avoid the COVIDs and the crazy landladies and the zip bop boobity bop and all that fun stuff, but I'm not gonna stop doing the giant robot stuff. I'm gonna do as much as I can and see about making content for all, 209 of you peoples. So, I guess, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And, if you know people who like giant robot stuff, share them, maybe not this video, but other videos. Maybe they'll enjoy it too. And I will see you next time, I guess. So get a J.J. Abrams lens flare generator today. Bye-bye.